Centauri Carbon 2 Combo. How to replace the Canvas motherboard. Turn the power switch off. Unplug the power supply cable. Unplug the Canvas communication cable. Press the top of the PTFE tube connectors with a pair of tweezers. Unplug the PTFE tubes. Unplug the PTFE tubes on the bottom of the canvas. Remove the 3 screws securing the canvas. Hold the canvas when releasing the last screw. Remove the canvas and lay it flat on the table. Release and remove the 8 screws securing the canvas housing with a 2 mm Allen key. Remove the canvas housing. Unplug the cable of the RFID antenna board. Remove the canvas housing. Unplug the 4th feeder motor cable. Remove the 4th feeder motor. Unplug the 3rd, 2nd, and 1st feeder motor cables. Release and remove the 3 screws securing the canvas motherboard with a Phillips screwdriver. Remove the old canvas motherboard. Install the new canvas motherboard. Get the new canvas motherboard. Put the canvas motherboard in the installation position. Tighten the 3 screws with a Phillips screwdriver. Plug in the 3rd, 2nd, and 1st feeder motor cables. Put the 4th feeder motor in the installation position. Plug in the 4th feeder motor cable. Plug in the cable of the RFID antenna board. Install the canvas housing. Turn the canvas over. Tighten the 8 screws securing the canvas housing with a 2 mm Allen key. Put the canvas in the installation position. Tighten the 3 screws with a 2 mm Allen key. Insert the PTFE tubes. Plug in the communication cable of the canvas. Plug in the power supply cable. Turn the power switch on. Confirm whether the indicator on the canvas motherboard is normal. Load the filament. Print a multicolor model for testing. Confirm that the multicolor printing function is normal and the printer is ready for use.